So Occuity's ambition really is to have machines that can be used in a very convenient fashion, in a high street for example, whereby you can educate every person for a whole range of problems, whether it be diabetes or Alzheimer's or glaucoma or myopia, catch those conditions early and prevent them.
We're putting a product out there that is changing lives. The great thing about Occuity is we take big devices, make them tiny, make them portable and affordable.
We founded Occuity in 2019 with the goal of using knowledge of making optical measurements on the eye for a whole range of healthcare applications.
AX1 is a device that measures the axial length of the eye, and this is a really important number to understand when trying to figure out if someone has axial myopia. Existing systems for measuring axial length are often big, bulky and expensive, but with AX1 it's portable, easy to use on children and takes a measurement in a matter of only a few seconds. AX1 builds on our existing technology platform we established with our first product, PM1, but now it features the Renishaw Atom DX, which has a 10-fold resolution increase compared to PM1. The great thing about the Atom DX is it's a drop-in solution for us, fits inside our portable handheld package, but is also easy to install and gives us the very high resolution that we need to enable the technology inside AX1. We use the ADT by Renishaw to verify that our encoder and scale have been positioned correctly in production. As with all medical devices, traceability is really important. So with the ADT, we can make sure that every device that leaves our production floor has been checked and certified.
So we've worked with Renishaw right from the early days, from the very first prototypes right through to the current devices now. And as we move forwards, each machine is more advanced, more capable than the previous ones. And that's been possible because we worked with Renishaw to improve the technology going into the device each time.
The faster we want and the faster we work, Renishaw keeps up with the faster we want and the faster we work. I think we're going to put some great products out there.
Our goals are to move from machines that are used by professional clinicians to being personal use devices. And they need to be manufactured very effectively, cost effectively, they need to be very reliable. You only do that if you've got the whole supply chain working closely together. So Renishaw and Occuity as a team make that happen.